Let's learn about buying a home in 2025. What is it going to take? As always, we're talking about how important it is that you know all the aspects of buying a home. What is an EMD? EMD stands for Earnest Money Deposit. And to break it down even further, the EMD is just a fancy name for a security deposit that the buyer puts down up front to show good faith that they won't pull out of the transaction. Please keep in mind that EMDs are usually 1% of the total purchase price of the home. And this is negotiable upfront. You have 3 business days upon accepting an offer to deliver your EMD to escrow. Now, don't be afraid. Buyers will generally have their contingencies in place to protect their EMD. If they decide to cancel for things such as poor inspection, property underappraising, or simply being unable to secure financing. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is the difference between an EMD and a down payment? Well, the EMD is wired to escrow at the beginning of the transaction, and the down payment is sent just before the closing of the escrow. Ultimately, your EMD becomes part of the down payment. When the time comes for the buyer to send in their down payment, it'll be the difference between that and your EMD. For example, if a buyer writes an offer for a $500,000 home and is putting 10% down with a 1% EMD, then their EMD will be $5,000 at the beginning of escrow, and the balance of the down payment, or $45,000, is due upon closing. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. If you found this to be beneficial, please like, comment, and share. As always, make it a great home buying and selling day.